There are a lot of ways to deal with a through hole that's been mangled by whatever process we go through. My favorite way is this way. I like to use a small copper or brass rivet. What we're looking for here is something that is, it fits snugly in the hole, but is large enough to still fit the component in it. And what I do is I like to uh, take the rivet and I just use a center punch to flare out the other side of it. And you really want to make this snug, so I try and flare it a few times, and then I'll take some flat pliers just to squeeze and try to make the rivet as close to the board and as thin as possible. And that looks great. As always, I'm just going to tack one side in place, and then I can work on the other side. Perfect. If you look at the other side, solder's come all the way through the board, through the rivet, and so this is going to be a very solid connection. I just want to test continuity. That's great. It's in the milliohms. I switch this just to resistance just to see how good the connection is. This is all in milliohms. It's just less than an ohm. It's basically connected, and I think that the probes I'm using are probably responsible for almost the entire reading that we're seeing here. Yeah, exactly. So my probes are around 115 to 100, at least 100 milliohms. So there is a very good connection. And with that, thank you for watching.